set is replacement set is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and from this you have to take the values of x. Find the solution set for the in equations. So for example, see here, I am first taking fourth. X plus 4 is greater than equal to 8. Okay, I'll be solving it by two ways. Okay, solving by two ways. Okay, mainly we will be using first way. X plus 4 greater than equal to 8. Okay, now as we take 4 on right hand side, from left hand side, 4 on left right hand side, it will become minus x greater than 8 minus 4. X is greater than equal to 4. So what will be the answer? X equal to set equal to 4 or greater than 4.
5, 6,
So
7.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is one way to solve. Now second way, x plus 4 greater than equal to 8. Okay, now from this side we have to remove the constants, only x must be there. So we subtract minus 4 from both sides. We subtract minus 4, x plus 4 minus 4 greater than equal to 8 minus 4. Now it will be x greater than equal to 4. Okay, we are subtracting the same number from both sides. We can as well add the same number on both sides. We can multiply by the same number on both sides. We can divide by the same number, just a minute, on both sides. But that number must be, see, while dividing and multiplication, the number must be positive. If it is negative, sign will change. Okay, we'll be seeing in other question. So x equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood this one? We can add any number that must we can add any number that must be on the both sides. Same number must be added, same number must be subtracted. Okay. This is first way, second way. We usually use first way. Okay. This is fine. Now I start with fifth. Okay, again both way I'll do it. Okay. First way, second way. 4 minus x, it is 4 minus x less than equal to minus 3. Understood? This is the question. Okay. So 4 will be taking on right hand side. It is added here plus 4, it will become minus 4. Minus x,
Sir, which chapter you are doing?
it is A65. In equations, we are doing equations and inequations, linear equations and inequations. A65. Page number A65, algebra 65. So 4 we are taking on right hand side. It will become minus 3 minus 4. Minus x less than equal to minus 7. Understood this one? Okay. This we are getting, but we need x. So what we'll do? This is minus x. We take it on the right hand side. And minus 7, we take it on the left hand side. So what it will become? 7 less than equal to x. Or we can write x greater than equal to 7. Okay. This is one way. Okay. Over here you can apply.
Good
We are
morning,
having.
sir.
Good morning. This we are having. Okay. This we are having minus x. Either we can do this way. Okay. Or minus x less than equal to minus 7 we are having. Okay. Now see here. If we are multiplying by a negative number or dividing by a negative number. If we are multiplying by a negative number or dividing by a negative number on both sides, the sign will change. This sign will change. So now we have to multiply both sides by minus 1, or we can divide it by minus 1. So we are multiplying both sides by minus 1. By minus 1, we are multiplying by on both sides. So it will be minus 1 into minus x, x sign will change because we are multiplying by a negative number equal to 7. Understood? Or see here, 4 minus x. Okay, this is other method. So we'll subtract -4 from both sides. 4 minus x minus 4 minus 3 minus 4. It will be minus x greater than equal to minus 7. Okay. Now we have to multiply both sides by -1. Minus x into -1. Sign will change. As we multiply or divide both sides by -1, the sign will change. -7 into -1. It will be x greater than equal to 7. So answer is only 7 as the element. Understood? So mainly we will be using first way. Okay? Understood this one? So now onwards we'll be using only the first way. Okay? So see here what we'll be doing now onwards. Minus x is less than equal to, okay, next step we'll be writing minus x less than equal to -7. And after this, we'll multiply both sides by negative number, -1. It will become x, it will become 7, and sign will change. Okay, this you have to do. Okay, understood this question? Okay, do the next one now. 12 minus x. 12 minus x greater than 16. Okay, so as you take 12 on right hand side, it will be subtracted. Here it is plus. So minus x greater than 16 minus 12 minus x greater than 4. Okay. Now what we'll do? We need positive x plus x. So both sides will multiply by -1. Both sides will multiply by -1. What will be getting? X here will be getting -4. And what about sign? What about sign? It will change. Understood this one? So we are multiplying both sides by -1. You can write one more step if you want. Minus x into -1. Sign changes. 4 into -1. Understood this one? Now x is less than -4. Any element less than -4?
No.
No elements. So it will be null set. What is given in answer? Null or empty set?
Nothing.
No solution. You can write no solution. Okay. It as well denotes no solution. Okay. Or you can write like this as well. Nothing inside. Or no solution. Understood this one? So always remember this. Minus x is there, we have to make it positive. So both sides will multiply by -1 and sign will change. Whenever we multiply by negative number or divide by negative number, the sign will change. Always remember this. Okay, do next one now. 3x less than 9.
X less than 3.
3x less than 9. It will be, we will divide by 3. See, we are dividing by positive number, no change. No change in sign. Understood? We are dividing by positive number. So less than 3. X less than 3. So what will be the answer? 0, 1, 2. Understood? Do next one. X by 2 greater than equal to 3. Okay. So this time we will multiply both sides by 2, or we take this on positive number we are taking on the right hand side. So no change. Greater than 3 into 2. X is greater than equal to 6. Understood now? Okay, ninth try to do ninth question. It is minus 2x less than equal to minus 8. Try to do this one. So by what number we'll be dividing? So see here, this time we are taking minus 2. So x here, minus 8 divided by minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 we are taking. We are dividing by negative number. So sign will change. Sign will change. We are taking negative number. We are dividing by negative number. So always remember, if you are dividing or multiplying by a negative number, the sign will change. So x is greater than equal to 4. Okay. Or you can do it like this as well. Minus 2x less than equal to minus 8. First, take 2 this side. So minus x less than equal to minus 8 divided by 2 minus x less than equal to minus 4. Now both sides minus 1 minus 1. Either you can multiply by minus 1 or divide by minus 1. Sign will change and it will be this. Understood? Either this way or this way. Here we are dividing by minus 2. Both sides we are dividing by minus 2. Oh.
Minus 8 positive.
Yes. Last x has to be positive. X is greater than equal to 4. X is greater than equal to 4. 4, 5, 6, 7 also. Understood this one? So whenever we are dividing or multiplying by a negative number, dividing or multiplying by a negative number, both sides, the sign will change. It will reverse.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can do, sir, 2x is greater than equal to 8. Sir, like that also.
Like that also. First, minus you are removing. It will be 2x greater than equal to 8. Now x less than equal to greater than equal to 4. Same way, you can apply any operation first. Okay. 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 Try to solve this question 10th, 11th, 12th. 13th, try to do 13th question. Okay. 13th question. Rest, try to do it in homework. 4 into x minus 2 less than 3x plus 1. So how you are going to do first? So what first we'll be doing? We will open the bracket. So it will be 4x minus 8 less than 3x plus 8. So constants will be taking on this side and what we forgot. Okay, these will x will be taking on the left hand side. 4x minus 3x less than 8 plus 8.
That is 3x plus 1.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. This is plus 1. 8 plus 1. It is 3x plus 1. Okay. This will be the result. Minus 8 plus 8. Okay, it will be x less than 9. So what will be the answer? The whole replacement set. The whole replacement set will be the answer. Okay. Now try 14th solve as homework. Okay. We'll start second question now. Okay. Second question we have to represent graphically. Okay. This you understood?
Sir,
Now
can you explain first 10th?
First 10th minus 2x plus 7 by 2. It is less than 1 by 2. Okay, so first what are we doing? 7 by 2 we will be taking on the right hand side. So minus 2x less than 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Okay. less than, take the LCM, 1 minus 7 upon 2. So minus 2x
minus
less
6
than
upon 2.
minus 6 upon 2, or it will be minus 2x less than minus 3. Okay, now we are dividing by minus 2. So it will be x, sign we will put afterwards, minus 3 divided by minus 2. What will happen to the sign if you are dividing by negative number? It will reverse, it will change. So x is greater than 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is how much? 1.5? 1.5. So greater than 1.5 is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Understood this question? Okay. Now try second question, first part.
Sir, please explain. So please explain first question, 10th part.
10th part I just did. Haven't you understood? First question, 10th part. This you written minus 2x plus 7 by 2 is less than 1 by 2. Okay. So 7 by 2 will be taking on right hand side. So minus 2x less than 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Solve this one. Take LCM 1 minus 7. So minus 2x less than minus 6 by 2. Or we can write it like this. Minus 2x less than minus 3. Understood this one?
Your voice is not clear.
Is voice clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Sir,
Still, okay, 1 minute. I'll reconnect it.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, I will reconnect it. Till then, you try to solve second,
sir,
first
it's
question.
clear.
Okay, let me reconnect. Let's see. You try to solve second, first question. Okay, second, first question. Try to solve that. This you understood, minus 2x less than minus 3. Now divide both sides by minus 2. So it will be x, sign will change, minus 3 divided by minus 2. X greater than minus minus plus 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So greater than 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here the replacement set is whole number. From the whole numbers, we will pick the answers. Solution will pick. Okay. And that we have to represent on number line. On the real number line. Okay, so first x minus 2 less than 3, where x belongs to whole number. This is belong sign. Belongs to whole numbers. So what all values x can take? Replacement set will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. This is our replacement set, whole numbers. So x can take values from this. Okay. Now solve this equation. X minus 2, we take on right hand side, 3 plus 2. X is less than 5. So x will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And that we have to represent on number line. Whole numbers. Okay. X. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers we have to represent on number line. So first, you got the solution, accordingly draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This denotes plus infinity, minus infinity. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how to mark? Do the number line and circle it. 0, 1, 2, 3. Fill the circle as well. Complete circles. 4 only. Okay. So this is our answer. Okay.
Sir,
Graph.
this number line didn't understand.
Okay. See here. We can okay, number line, what is there? We can put numbers on the line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like you are having a scale, it is a kind of a number line. In between as well 0 and 1, they are infinite numbers. They are infinite numbers between 0 and 1 as well. Yes. There are infinite numbers between 0 and 1. 1 and 2, infinite numbers. Infinite numbers here, infinite numbers here. But see here, what values x can take? Only whole number. That is, it can take only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These only values it can take. And according to equation, what values x will take? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this value will take, not these values. So we'll mark only 0. Here, it will take only one value, not these values, not these values. Here as well, it will take only value of 2, not these values, not these values. It can take value of this, not this, not this, nor this. Understood? So it can take only 0 value, 0, not 0.1 or 0.2, 0.3 it cannot take. So we'll mark these points. Understood?
Your video is not coming.
Okay, just wait for a minute.
Sir, it is
Start
okay.
it again. No, it's okay. Just start it again. It will be there. Understood this line? Understood this
Sir,
line?
very clear video.
Sir, it is very clear.
Fine. Thank you. Okay,
Yes, sir,
so
it is
do
very
the second
clear.
one now. Now do the second one. The concepts must be clear than video.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Good. Your concepts must be clear. Okay. Now do the second one. So here, natural numbers. X belongs to natural numbers. And what are natural values x can take? N is what? Here, this is the replacement set. It will be 1 or 0. Start with 0 or 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. X can take these all values.
Sir,
Okay?
only whole number will start from 0.
Yes. Okay. So minus 3 plus x. Minus 3 plus x greater than equal to 1 by 2. Solve this equation. Minus 3 plus x. So minus 3 will be taking on right hand side. It will become plus x. X greater than equal to 1 by 2 plus 3. Now take the LCM and add them. X greater than 1 plus 6 divided by 2. X greater than equal to 7 by 2. And 7 by 2 is how much? 3.5. So what all values x can take? 3.5 greater than equal to 3.5. It can take 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity it can take. Now how to represent it on number line? So again we draw the number line. Okay, draw it here afterwards. Okay, mark 0, 1, or you can start as well from 4, 5, 6, or you can start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, doesn't matter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like this. Okay, now only these numbers are to be marked, not in between. So 4 is the answer. 4. Now 5 is the answer. 5. 6 is the answer. 6. 7. Rest, how to denote this? Up to infinity. Okay, make it like this. This arrow, make it bold. Okay, or you can put 3 dots here. Okay, mainly we make this arrow as bold. Okay, this is showing that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. These values are up to infinity. Understood? Or you can make this like this as well. Okay, this arrow is showing that up to infinity we are having elements. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinity. Understood this one? This arrow.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can mark 3.5 also on number line. Sir, because it is
We can
greater
mark.
than or equal to.
Yes, it is fine, 3.5. But see here, from what we have to take the values? Natural numbers, it has to be natural number. 3.5 is a natural number or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is not a natural number. Not a natural number. So only 4 we can mark. 5, 6, 7 natural numbers. In between, these are not natural numbers. There are infinite numbers between these two numbers, 4 and 5. But these are not natural numbers. We cannot mark. Okay. There is no question for real numbers.
Okay, sir.
So for showing infinity, sir, what we can do?
For showing infinity, see here. Bold, make this bold. This arrow you make it bold. Or on top put 3 arrows. This is showing up to infinity. Either 3 arrows or make this arrow as bold. Okay.
Sir, 3 arrow or dot?
3 dots. 3 dots or make this arrow bold. Okay. So mainly I have seen the arrow, not the dots. Mainly arrow is being made bold. Okay. This question is fine.
Sir, in first question, why it is not in infinity?
See your first question, what was the solution set? What was the equation? We got x 1 by 2 x plus 2 greater than equal to, okay, no, question was x minus 2 less than 3. X minus 2 less than 3. X belongs to whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. Solve this equation. X will be less than equal to 5. X is less than 5. So from this, it has to take the values. X belongs to all numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no infinity, minus infinity or plus infinity. No infinity. Understood this one? Values are x
Okay,
less than
sir.
5.
Sir, understood.
And from these, you have to take the values. Okay.
Sir, if greater than 5 come there, then this will infinitive, no?
If it is x greater than 5, then 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. These will be the values. If it is greater than 5. Okay. Do the next one. Whole numbers, then integers. Yeah. No real numbers. Okay. Okay. See once here. If x belongs to integers, what you'll be doing? If x belongs to integers, if integer, so integer is what? Minus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, up to infinity. These are integers. These are integers. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, and this side minus infinity. Up to minus infinity here. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. These are integers. Understood? These are integers. And if it is given real numbers, x belongs to real number. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These all numbers are real numbers. That is, these all infinite numbers in between, these are also real numbers. So if question comes like this, x is greater than 2 and x belongs to real number. Okay, just see here once. How you are going to mark this one? X is greater than sorry, x is greater than equal to 2, x belongs to real numbers. So how we are going to mark? So x is greater than equal to 2. It will start from 2, mark it bold because it is equal to 2 as well. Mark the circle. Now make the whole line bold and this arrow. Understood this one? It will include all the numbers between 2 and 3. between 3 and 4, 4 and infinity, all the numbers it will include. If it is real number, all the numbers will be included. Okay. If the question is x is greater than 2 and x belongs to real number, this time greater than 2. 2 is included or not? 2 is not included. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Okay. This time 2 is not included. You will make a circle. Okay. Don't fill the circle. 2 is not included. It is greater than 2. And make this line bold and make the arrow bold. Understood? So all these numbers are included now. All these numbers greater than 2 are included. Okay. Here it is greater than 2 and equal to 2 as well. Therefore, we will fill the circle as well. Okay. If the question is like this, x is 2 and greater than equal to 4. This time x lies between 2 and 4. So see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time what we will do? It is greater, it is 1 minute, did wrong. Okay, this is the equation. X is greater than 2. So it is not equal to 2. It will be like this, not filling the circle. Two. So make the circle and see here. All these numbers are included up to 4 and 4 equal to 4 as well. So make a circle, fill the circle and draw the line. So all the numbers are included between 2 and 4 as well. 4 is included. Understood this one? If it is real numbers. Okay. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do the third one. Second, third. Do the second, third. Second, third. 2x less than 2x less than 6. And x belongs to whole numbers. X belongs to whole numbers. So it will be what? X less than equal to 3. 6 by 2, it will be 3. And whole numbers is what? 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. On number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What all numbers will be included? X will be having set 0, 1, 2. This will be the answer. And since it is whole numbers, only one circle, fill circle. This will be the answer. Understood this one? Okay, do the next one, fourth one. Fourth one, 4p greater than equal to minus 12. And where p belongs to integers. This time we have integers. That is, from minus integers is what? Minus infinity, minus 1, 0, 1, up to infinity. These numbers. Now, p will be greater than equal to minus 12 divided by 4. P will be greater than equal to minus 3. Understood this one? Greater than equal to minus 3. This means P, or what all values P can take? Minus 3 it can take, equal to minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and up to infinity. So how to mark on the number line? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what are values? Minus 3, circle, fill. Minus 2, minus
Sir,
1.
your video is clear.
Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
And now see here, infinity.
sir,
7.
Sir, what does this I mean?
I,
sir.
I, I means integers. Integers.
Okay, sir.
I is integers. W is whole number. N is natural numbers. I is integers. R is real numbers.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is written, sir, 4p is greater than minus 12. Sir, you written 4p is greater than equal to minus 12.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, see here it's greater than. Okay, so greater than minus 3, this won't be included. Okay, thank you. Okay, this won't be included. Minus 3 won't be included. Okay, we start from minus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? And then infinity, arrow, bold the arrow. Okay, understood this question? So try to solve second complete and third. Okay, try
Okay,
to
sir.
solve
The
third as well.
time over.
Time.
Yes, stopping here. Okay,
Okay,
try
sir.
to solve second.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, our school will
Thank
be
you,
open
sir.
on.
Okay, I don't have any idea. Okay, it may open. Most probably it may open. It is going to open, I think.
Open.
Okay, it will depend on government. What government says, school will follow.
Okay, sir.